In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Squarespace to Square in just a few minutes. This is perfect if you want to streamline your online store, simplify transactions, and give your customers a smoother checkout experience. Let's dive in and set it up step by step. First, head over to the Squarespace website and log into your account. You'll see the login button in the top right corner. Once you click it, you can either enter your username and password, or if you prefer convenience, just use the Continue with Google option to skip typing everything out. After logging in, choose the specific website you want to connect with Square. If you manage multiple sites, Squarespace will show you a list, so make sure you select the right one. Now open the settings for that site. Inside, look for the Commerce or Selling section. This is where Squarespace keeps all of its tools for handling online sales. Once you're in the Commerce area, click on Payments. This page shows you all the payment providers that Squarespace supports. Here's where Square comes in. Find Square in the list and click on it. You'll now be prompted to enter your Square login details. Make sure you have your Square credentials ready, then follow the prompts carefully. Squarespace and Square use secure methods for this process, so your information is well protected. Once you've authorized the connection, your Squarespace site and Square account will be linked. From here on, you'll be able to accept payments directly through Square, keeping everything streamlined and easy to manage. And that's it. You've just connected Squarespace to Square. Now your customers can enjoy a smooth checkout experience, and you can focus more on growing your business instead of worrying about payments. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more quick, step-by-step guides to make running your online business easier. Until next time, happy selling.